I was saying to a colleague that being in MIPIM, the number of questions I've had about our Madrid office. Are they looking to lend? No one talked about Spain 3 months ago to us. And I think people are looking at yield now, chasing yield somewhere, out of the core centres which they were concentrating on. So I think, the banks will tend to follow that as well, I thought.
And does that mean that you'll then begin to be more flexible? If you're seeing that demand about Spain, does that mean that you'll actually then begin to think more about, okay, yes, we may start lending there?
I mean, where there's more competition, it means margins come down, so that affects our returns. We have to selectively look to see where our customers are going, assess those markets as well. So I don't think we're going to be selective, but yes, of course, our key customers we will want to carry on doing business with. So if they're going to Spain, or if they're going to the Netherlands, then I think we have to seriously look at.
But don't you think you can see that in the core markets, the banks does not only compete on margins but also on leverage? Basically, we see increased loan values over the last year.
And I think that's the change now. So, I think I like to think there's a floor on margin. So they may not be. We're not seeing that necessarily. But maybe that's just wishful thinking. But what people are starting to do is where this time last year 60%. Yeah. Maybe 55. Now 65 is the norm, and I suspect by the summer it will be 70%.
Yes.
Well, I think it's coming down to your point, is that people are chasing return, and if you're a debt fund, you've generally gone out and pitched a total return hurdle that you're aiming for. And as it is with the equity market, same in the debt market, eventually when yields come down or margins come down in the debt world, you start then having to go to the next market to be able to deliver the returns that you promised to your investors. So there is an element of chasing return around. It starts to begin with, everybody wanted to focus on the major cities of London and Frankfurt and so forth. They start now going to the regions, and you're starting to see debt moving into more sort of higher risk jurisdictions, just to get the